My name is Aditya, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Northern Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you how users can search CloudTrail event history to determine how a security group or resource was changed. So let's get started. Following are the different API calls that are related to a security group event. Create a security group, delete a security group, add an outbound rule, add an inbound rule, remove an outbound rule, and remove an inbound rule. You can use AWS CloudTrail event history, Amazon Athena queries, or AWS configuration history to check the changes made to a security group. Let's go through each of the solutions and see how to retrieve the security group event history. Now, log in to your AWS account. After logging into the AWS Management Console, navigate to the CloudTrail console. Then, select the event history page. By default, the filter field is set to read only and its value is set to false. Now, select the filter drop-down list and in the enter resource name field, enter the name of your resource. In this example, I want to check if there are any new inbound rules added to this security group. Choose the event Authorize Security Group Ingress. In this example, an inbound rule allows TCP port 443 from the security group to itself. In this way, you can check the changes made to the security group using CloudTrail event history. You can use Athena queries to search CloudTrail logs for security group event history over the last 90 days. Please note, you must have a trail enabled to log to an Amazon Simple Storage Service bucket. Now, navigate to the Athena console. Choose Query Editor. In the Athena Query Editor, copy and paste the following query. Please note, replace the table name with your table name. For more information on how to create a table in Athena with the CloudTrail logs, refer to the article in the description of this video. This query returns the event name and request parameter columns, sorted according to the event time column in ascending order from the table, where the event name is either Authorize Security Group Ingress or Delete Security Group, and event time only after a specific time. Now choose Run Query or press Ctrl plus Enter on your device. You can query all changes made to a specific security group with the following query. This query returns the event name and request parameter columns sorted according to the event time column in ascending order from the table, where the event name has the pattern security group and request parameter has the pattern provided in the input query and event time only after a specific time. In this way, you can query the changes made to the security group using Athena. You can also use AWS config configuration history to check the event history or view the configuration history for security group event history beyond the default 90-day limit. Please note, you must have the AWS config configuration recorder turned on. Now, navigate back to the CloudTrail console. Choose Event History, select the filter drop-down list and choose Event Name. In the Enter Event Name field, enter the name of the event that you want to check. For example, Authorize Security Group Ingress and then choose Enter on your device. Now, expand the event time column and choose the event that you want to check. In the resources referenced, choose the View AWS Config Resource Timeline to view the configuration timeline. So now you know how users can search CloudTrail event history to determine how a security group or resources was changed. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.